Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Jen here. So today is a Monday for me and it's the 12th of April, which in England that means that the gyms will open, and as well as pub gardens and some shops and all that kind of thing. But I'm most excited about the gym. Woke up at 8 and after waking up about 10, sometimes 11 recently, that was very hard. So I'm a bit tired, but I'm gonna get to the gym. I'm really excited. I confess I was a bit tired of just having to work out at home every single day. It's just not the same. Like, I feel like going to the gym is just such a completely different experience. Like, the atmosphere is different, everything. Like, I just prefer it so much more. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope it's not going to be too crowded, because if it is, I'm probably going to get discouraged and want to come back home. But on the app it says there's about 70 people and the gym can hold about 131 people, so hopefully it's going to be okay. And I plan to go to the shops later, and I hope it's not going to be too busy, but it's probably going to be really busy, isn't it? But yeah, that's the plan for today. Wish me luck. So this is the outfit of the day. It's very cold, so I've got a thick puffer jacket on and this black t-shirt. Got a sports bra underneath it. Got some wireless headphones, some gym leggings, as well as some black Nike trainers. And I've got this belt as well, which I'll show you in a different video soon. And in here I've got, we're running out, hand sanitizer. I've got my keys. I think that's it for this pocket. Hang on. And this one I've got my padlock and keys, so I can get all my stuff out and put it in a locker securely. And what else? And in my pocket I've got a tissue and a mask. And then I'll put my phone in this pocket, and that's it. Can you tell I'm slightly dreading going? It's taking ages now. But yeah, that's everything I take. And this belt just goes around the back here and it's secure, so I can just put my coat over it. And oh no, I forgot to show you the main part, my water bottle. Can't be without that one. So yeah. I'm now home. I'm very tired. I decided to take it slow at the gym. I only did the 12-3-30, I think it's what it's called, on the treadmill. I thought let's just not go too crazy, because it is my first time going to the gym in 4 months. So, oh my gosh, since December, that's 4 months, right? And yeah, I mean, that still gave me a headache. I don't know why. So yeah, just went on the treadmill for a bit. And then came back home. I'll probably start adding weights soon, probably next week. It's gonna take it slow, but slow and steady wins the race. I'm just gonna rest for a bit now and then have a smoothie, then go shower, get ready, and I'm gonna meet my friend and we're just gonna go to town for a bit, and we're gonna go to the shops, take full advantage of the sales. So there might be a haul, but don't know yet. It depends on what they have. Right, let me show you the best smoothie recipe you'll ever see. I'm missing one ingredient. I'm missing the gosh, I'm missing the Greek yogurt, but you don't really need it, so you just need this. So you're gonna need some pineapple chunks and some blueberries. Got a whole banana in here, and any sort of milk that you've got. I've got semi-skimmed milk. That is it. And it's so simple and so delicious. So sweet because of the pineapple chunks and the banana. So yeah, thank you later. So you're gonna want about this much milk, I'd say. Don't put too much milk in, otherwise it's gonna get too watery and runny. So if you want like a nice thick smoothie, then do this much milk. Or maybe less, maybe even I got a little bit more than enough in there. Okay, you're probably sick and tired of me showing you a purple smoothie in my vlogs, but look at that. How can I not? Oh. Perfect. She is beauty. Wow. And that, my friends, is the consistency that you want. Beautiful. Okay, call me crazy, but I've been actually using this on my face, the Johnson Top to Toe Wash. And it's actually really good. I've been using it for about nearly 2 weeks now. And my face is looking very clear after it. I also use this Nivea shower cream, and it's also very, very good. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's at the end of its life now, but I definitely need to buy another one of these because it smells so, so good. Just having a quick lunch now before I go, watching Ellie Derby. And if you're Brazilian, you'll know what this is. I made some feijoada the other day, so I'm having that as leftovers and some broccoli. Just gonna eat this and then we can go out. So I'm all ready now for the shops, ready for Primark and Zara and all that, depending on how crowded it'll be. And quick little outfit of the day, we've got this burnt orange coat from M&S, and then this jumper is from Primark. A long time ago. Actually no, I think it was probably like last time it was open, back in December. And this bag is definitely from a long time ago in Primark. And got necklace from Warren James, and then black jeans from Pull & Bear, which I got in ASOS, and these chunky boots from Tesco's. And that is everything. And this belt is from Primark as well. Let's go. Hi guys, so it is the next day now. I got home yesterday super tired, super exhausted. For some reason I had a migraine, so I was gonna show you the bits that I picked up from Primark and H&M yesterday, but then I came home, had a nap, thought I'd just show you this the next day. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Yesterday it was quite busy. It was a very busy day. There was lots of people out. I couldn't get into Zara because there was just a massive queue. I just wasn't gonna wait for that. I was already out for about 4 hours, so I wasn't gonna wait any longer than that. And it was coming up to 5 o'clock when people get off work, so I thought I'm just gonna go home and then come back to Zara another day. But I didn't get that many things because I'm moving in about a month, so I didn't want to get too many things, but they did have a lot of lovely things and new stuff, both in Primark and H&M. So I'll just show you what I got. I'll start with Primark. They had a lot of pops of colours and different sort of styles of clothing and lots of different bags and shoes. So I was impressed with that. Wasn't very impressed with the home section in the one I went to. But yeah, I just picked up some basics because I needed it. First things first, I've got some white crew socks. I've got this pack that comes with 5 pairs. And this was £1.80. I normally buy these in black, but then I decided to just get the white pairs this time. I used to get the shorter one, I think it's called like, is it trainer socks? But then recently I preferred these ones, especially if you're working out. I always found that the shorter ones would always go like halfway through my feet. I don't know how to describe it, but I find that these ones actually stay on and I don't have to worry about that, because there's nothing worse than having to stop in the middle of your workout and then have to take your shoes off and then fix your sock. So I just got these. Now the second item is this beautiful light blue bra, and it's not padded, so it's just absolutely beautiful bra. And when I saw this, I had to get it. I didn't really need it, but I just found it so beautiful I had to get it. It feels very good quality, and I haven't tried this on yet, but I reckon it'll be fine. And this bra was £6. Next up, they had a lot of these sort of cropped t-shirts. I got this one in this khaki colour, and I love these. I love the detailing on the sleeve and at the hem as well. They had a lot of different colours for these. They had in pink, sort of like a coral, a white, which I got a white of these as well, and it was only £3, so what a bargain. And this can go with so many things. You can wear it with shorts now that it's starting to get warmer again. You can wear it with a pair of jeans. Choices are endless. I love it. Like I said, I got it in white, and I've tried this on, so you can tell because I've got makeup on it already. I'm terrible with white clothing. So it's just the same top, £3 as well, and it's got like the sort of rib details. They both do. And yes, I got it in an extra small, and I think with these, the smallest you can get is the better. So like definitely size down, because I find that if I get my normal size, which would be like a small 10 to 12 in Primark, it doesn't sit as nice on me because I find that it's a little bit too baggy when it's on my size, which doesn't make any sense. So I got an extra small. And then the next item, I just thought I'd stock up on some hand sanitizer. So I just got this aloe vera one. I find that this one smells really nice, and I think it does the job. I took this to Brazil last year when I went on my trip, and yeah, it was very handy to have this on the plane and all that sort of thing. So very good. And it was only £1. Next up, I got these absolutely stunning shorts, leather-like shorts. It's fake leather, I'm pretty sure, but in this light brown colour, sort of like a camel colour. And oh my goodness guys, the fit of this is unreal. I absolutely loved it. And I was looking for one of these for such a long time now. And I found these for £10 in Primark. And I got it in a size 10. And it's perfect in the size. And yeah, absolutely love this. Very versatile. You can wear it with tights underneath if it's a bit colder. Or you can wear it with a nice white bodysuit. Maybe even a black one. Pair of heels. You can make it like dress it up and dress it down for going to the pub gardens and what have you. And yeah, I'm very happy with this. And it's very like soft and sort of like a velvet material on the inside, so really like this. So that was it for Primark, and now I'm just going to show you a few bits from H&M. So I just got more basics in H&M as well, because again, I don't need that many things, so I didn't want to pick up too many things, and again, I'll have to move soon, so I don't want to be taking a lot of stuff with me. I'll probably go to a trip to Primark and H&M after I move, so then I can get more things. So first things first, I got this set with 5 underwears. They're very granny sort of looking underwears, but it's for that time of the month, ladies. So I just got these in the colour, got 2 white, 2 this lavender sort of colour, and then a black one. And these were a pack of 5 for £10. I used to normally get them from Primark, but I feel like H&M, the cotton just feels nicer, if that makes sense, so I just decided to get it from there. And then I got a pack of 3 underwear for my partner, but little does he know, it's probably gonna be me who's gonna wear it. I love wearing these to sleep, I can't lie. And these are a pack of 3 for £4. And yeah, what a bargain. And these are like the sort of like short trunks. I can take one out and show you if you're interested, for your partners. And again, it's got a really nice cotton material, and it looks like this. Now last but definitely not least, I found this beautiful pair of trousers. and oh my goodness guys, the sales part of H&M was absolutely amazing. I found this and it was only £3 from £12.99 was decreased to £3, and it's such a lovely and soft material. So I got it in black. You've got the black belt there to help you cinch yourself in, which is gonna make it look so much more flattering when you put it on. And I got this in a size 10. So yeah, absolutely beautiful, and I think it's gonna be lovely in the warmer months when you don't wanna wear jeans necessarily, you just wanna be a bit more free. And yeah, that was everything I got from Primark and H&M. Forgot to show you the most stunning earrings that I've got from H&M. Are these simple gold earrings, and it was only £3.99. And yeah, just a staple earring to wear with any outfit really. Looks very classy and chic. Found them very cute. And that concludes the video everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Bye bye!